Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So this is Nifty's daily chart. Okay, so market has gapped up a lot. Let us mark the levels here. Okay, I'm going to mark all the important levels, so you guys can also use it as references. This is not a tip, guys. This is just my view on market, and you can use this as a reference. Okay, so if you see, market's been giving a good rally, like pull down, like it has been pullbacks, and now up. Now market is in a very good level where there is a higher probability. We still have a gap and we still have a resistance here. Okay, this is the gap which it might fill. Okay, there's a huge gap here which it might fill, but we have to go to 15 minutes time frame to analyze it deeper. So if you see in 15 minutes time frame, this was our last level which broke and went up. Today market opened and most of the time it was sideways. So tomorrow morning, what will be my action? If tomorrow morning market opens somewhere around 19,680 something, I'll be looking forward to buying it. I'm not looking forward to sell anything because I don't see any negative scenario as of now. If I see a sell, I'll be selling it only post 19,335. After this 335, 19,330 or 320, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Before that, I'm not selling anything. I'm looking only forward to buy. So today I did not trade. It's because I was very unsure how the market's gonna work. So it just gapped up immediately. So this will be my level for tomorrow. It might even go sideways. So let's see the market's momentum tomorrow. Let's see where it opens. If it opens anywhere around 19,680 or 690 and all, I'll wait for it to give a pullback and then I will enter. And this swing will be my stop loss. Okay, below this swing, that is 19,640. Below that will be my stop loss. My take profit will be this. Okay, so this is for Nifty. Next, let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we booked our profits here. Exactly here we booked it, and it gapped up big time, guys. Go to 1 hour time frame in Bank Nifty. This is a trend line. This is a very valid trend line which gapped up easily. Okay, now it has taken a good rejection from here because there is a huge resistance on this zone. Okay, only if it crosses this resistance, I'll be looking forward to buy. Till then, I'm not buying anything. If market comes anywhere near 44,050, 44,040 somewhere, I'll look forward to buy, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, this will be my action for tomorrow. I should get it somewhere around 44,050 or 60, guys. Only then I'll buy it. Till then, I'm not buying it. Okay. Selling nothing as of now because market's bullish. Why to sell? If it's bullish, don't sell it, hold it. Okay, so this is for Bank Nifty. Next, let's see US oil. This is a very much, this chart has been drawn a lot, so let me clear a lot of things. Okay, done. Let me clear even these and this levels too. Nice. So if you see, if you clearly see, it's in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So 1, 2, we can expect one more touch here, or we don't know. If it breaks this swing, we can look forward to sell this. But for now, if it's gonna go reverse, I don't know. If it's gonna go reverse, I want to see a W pattern in daily time frame or 1 hour time frame. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy. But if you see in 1 hour time frame, there is already a W pattern here. That is, this is a W pattern. Then neckline got broken and it went up. Okay, next, how will I buy? See, buying is a counter trend, but what I'll say is there is a very high probability this might change as a buying because here an accumulation has happened and previous trend was a downtrend. This might even be a trend change, because these are two strong candles. This is a selling candle, two very strong candles. Where will I buy? Okay, this is the question. Where will I buy? I'll go to 1 hour time frame. If market takes a reverse from this level, okay, because this is the first swing high, low, from lower high to lower, this is the first swing high. That is, this is the first higher high. I have marked this. Okay, there's not any random marking. If you go back and see, this is a proper level. Okay, so it has taken one support, and it's people sometimes what people do is this is a head and shoulder pattern. Once it's broken, they will sell it. That is what even I'm going to do. If it breaks this level, I will sell it, and this will be my target. This will be my first target, and this will be my second target. Okay, or if it survives here, if it survives, if it's bullish, it should cross this huge resistance zone. Okay, this is the huge resistance zone, that's why I marked it. If it crosses this, then I will buy it with a small quantity, and this will be my take profit. Okay, this will be my take profit zone. Here, if it breaks down this because this is a triple top, because this is called as a head and shoulder pattern. This is a shoulder, head, and another shoulder. This is a neckline. If it breaks down, we will sell it here. We will wait for it to come here, book half the quantity, then wait for it, book the full quantity. Okay, if it comes till this, that is if it comes till $76, you trail your stop loss to cost, then you trail according to the swings. That is these are all swings. You trail it according to the swings. Wherever this is forming swing, you can book it there. Like you can move your stop loss there. So these are my views on US oil. We have gold next. Gold, my god, we booked profit here. Okay, small quantity we had, which was bounced up, and here had a stop loss, and after that we did not trade it at all. I did not trade it. It went up. Okay, so what is my next action now on gold? I have to clear the charts so it's easy for all of us to understand it. If we see, this is a trend line. Okay, this is the second point of trend line, which is a very, very crucial thing. This is the earliest stage where you can capture, guys. This is the earliest way you can capture a trend. Okay, so here, from here to next is here. Whenever this trend line gets broken, we can enter it, and this will be our shorting position. Okay, so this will be a shorting position for gold. Buy is only above this level, that is about 2. Now I know this is a huge gap, but I'm totally fine leaving it. I don't have any issues. Okay, I'm totally fine giving up on this. How many points are these? This is basically 3000 points. It's totally fine. I'm totally fine giving up on that, because see, the targets are pretty huge always. Okay, and I want a very strong confirmation to enter and exit the trade. I can't be like I can't be like entering it with doubts and stuff. So I want it to be very clear that this is the time I'm going to enter, and this is the time I'm going to exit. Okay, so this is for gold. If it crosses anywhere 20660, I'll look forward to buy it. If it breaks down anywhere on this trend line, okay, on this trend line, if it breaks down, I will definitely sell it. Okay, so these are the two levels for gold. Next, we have 3 stocks for swing trading. One is Cipla. Cipla has given a breakout and it's coming back down. Okay, tomorrow, if it survives this level again, I will be looking forward to buy it. This is the resistance, which is totally fine, because when the market is going up, it will respect the resistance. If it was a fresh resistance, there is a higher probability it will change it, but because this has been touched twice already, we can expect it to break it and go up. We can expect it. Okay, that's how price action works. So if it survives this place, that is, if I get around 1240 to 1250 somewhere, I will buy it, and this will be my stop loss below this candle. Okay, so next is Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma has survived it, and I have taken a small quantity here today at 230 something. I've entered with a small quantity, and this is my current stop loss. Tomorrow, let's see how it's performing. Sun Pharma is pretty good stock, guys. As we have discussed this even on Sunday. This is a very good stock, and moreover, I've made good profits on the stocks. So this is not a recommendation. I like this stock, and I like how the way it moves. It gives good profit. Okay, so this is what I have got for now. Next one is Indian Oil Corporation. Indian Oil Corporation gap down, and again it's back to its mean. If you guys see, it is back here. So tomorrow we can definitely buy it. That is, I am going to buy this here. okay, and below this will be my stop loss. This is a 3% of stop loss, but target, because target, the upside, we don't know how far it's gonna go. Nobody knows how far it's gonna go, but this is a fresh resistance. This is a fresh resistance, so it's better to book half your quantity here, then let the rest go. In the sense, let the rest, you can trail the stop loss. Alright, so that's it for today's video, and this is a setup which I'm gonna teach you guys on upcoming days. This is called as a VCP. So this is a very less known strategy, but I will definitely break this down and teach you guys. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be posting more and more videos on upcoming days. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.